Hello and welcome. You're watching Next IAS English. Today we are going to talk about Cyclone Montha, which is currently intensifying over the Bay of Bengal region. And the India Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert for coastal regions of Odisha and Tamil Nadu, signaling that severe weather is likely in the coming days. Communities are being advised to stay alert and take necessary precautions. In this session, we are going to understand the cyclone's current status, its structure, and how the eye of the cyclone behaves, and the safety measures that residents should follow during the cyclone. So let's quickly get started. The first thing that we are going to talk about is the current status of the cyclone. What is the current status of the Cyclone Montha? So firstly, Cyclone Montha has developed from a low pressure area into a severe cyclonic storm. Odisha and Tamil Nadu are under an orange alert, which indicates a high likelihood of heavy rainfall, strong winds and potential disruptions into normal life. Coastal wind speeds are expected to reach 70 km per hour in coastal areas, with gusts in certain areas possibly higher, and the main impact is expected from October 27 to 29, with districts near the coast being the most vulnerable. Authorities are urging residents to prepare early, monitor updates from IMD and local administrations, and avoid unnecessary traveling during this period. Now, moving forward, let's talk about what is actually a cyclone. So let's understand what cyclone is. A cyclone is a large-scale weather system categorized by some rotating winds around a low-pressure center. It usually forms over warm ocean waters like the Bay of Bengal or the Arabian Sea, and it can bring heavy rainfall, strong winds, storm surges, and floodings also sometimes in coastal areas. A cyclone has three main parts. The three main parts of the cyclone are eye wall, and rain bands. Eye wall is where the strongest winds and heaviest rain occur, and rain bands are the bands of thunderstorm. You can see it extending outwards from the center, and eye is the center. Understanding these parts helps in predicting the cyclone's intensity and the path of the cyclone. Moving forward, let's talk about eye of the cyclone. Now, what is the eye of the cyclone? See, the eye of the cyclone is the static portion which is located at the very center of the cyclone. Despite the surrounding destruction, this region is usually very calm with light winds, clear skies, and sometimes even sunshine. It is circular and it is typically 30 to 65 kilometers in diameter and has a lowest atmospheric pressure in the entire system. Now, the calm can last from 15 minutes to 1 hour. As this eye passes over an area, while the eye brings a temporary lull, it is followed by destructive winds and rain of the storm from the backside. This is the backside. Now, which is why understanding its movement is very, very crucial for planning the evacuation drives and relief operations across that place. Now, moving forward, let's talk about the expected impact on Odisha and Tamil Nadu. Now, what is the expected impact? Odisha and Tamil Nadu are expected to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall and also strong winds with thunderstorms over the next few days. Low-lying areas, particularly in coastal districts, may face flooding and waterlogging also. Now, wind speed, as I've already told you, could reach up to 70 km per hour, causing damage to trees, power lines and structures also. Authorities are advising people to stay indoors as much as possible, avoid venturing into flooded streets, and closely follow IMD updates from Bhubaneswar and Chennai to monitor any of these sudden changes in the cyclone's track or the intensity of the cyclone. Now, moving forward, let's talk about safety measures and preparedness. Now, what are the safety measures and preparedness? See, to stay safe during Cyclone Montha, residents should take some very proactive measures like follow official updates from IMD and district advisors, local authorities also, and evacuate immediately if they are instructed. Keep emergency supplies like drinking water, non-perishable food, some medicines also you can keep, flashlights and batteries, they should be handy and very ready. Avoid going outside during these heavy rainfall and strong winds, and secure some loose objects and boards. And stay away from flooded or low-lying areas as much as possible. Being prepared and staying informed can actually save lives and reduce the damage of the cyclone Montha, especially when the cyclone hits its peak intensity. So we have talked about everything from the cyclone, and that is it for today. I would like you to stay safe and follow all these safety precautions and measures. And that is it for today. I will see you in another deep dive video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.